Hey, what's up guys? It's Abby here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So, for today's video, I am going to share with you guys a tool na recently nabili ko sa Shopee, and ito siya, this microphone. So, if you want to know my thoughts about this clip microphone, please keep on watching. Bili ko tong clip microphone na ito sa Shopee. Yung shop niya, ililive ko in the description box below. Tapos, nabili ko siya for 61 pesos. Original price niya 175. Supposedly, dating dito is December 16 kasi November 11 ko siya nabili. Kaya matagal kasi ang shipping nito is sa... Sorry, mahangin. Okay. So, I have a different... Nagbiglang ng iba, dahil nawala pala yung clip, hindi pala siya nagre-record. Ngayon, i-edit ko, tsaka ko lang siya napansin. So, going back, and expect ko December 16 siya dadating, so thank God, dumating siya ng mas maaga. And itong clip microphone na to, meron siyang haba na 3.5 meters, basta medyo mahaba siya. The length is perfect for vlogging, hindi ganun kahaba, hindi rin ganun kaiksi. Kaya it's really perfect. Sabi mag-download ng open camera para gumana. Girl, hindi pa rin gumagana. So, hinry ko siya sa camera. And thank God, gumana siya sa camera. Kasi kung hindi siya gumana sa camera, anong silbi mo, Beth? It's really a good investment. This microphone is a really good investment. Lalo na kung beginner ka pa lang. Kasi for a very cheap price, makakakaroon ka ng good quality of audio. Insert ako ng clips from my recent videos. Gamit ko tong camera na to without the microphone. Audio without the microphone para ma-compare nyo din. This video, as you see by the title and the thumbnail, I will try to react to different K-pop groups. I'm not a hater. I'm also not a fan. Pink. Hindi niya ako pinaperma. So, ayan. Basta ayan, may mga papel. Kabukod yung papel nasa first divider. Tapos sa second part, nandun yung product. Yung screen ko naman is yan, kaming magtutropa sa school. Ang aking trupa. So, ayan, sina Milka, sina Dada, sina Justin, sina Ian, sina Lem. So, there, sina Philip. Parang hindi ako nakafocus na. Asan salamin ko? First may salamin. Parang hindi na ako nakafocus.
Yung manluloko at manluloko, sila na lang yung maging magjowa. Kasi nadadamay yung mga taong seryoso.
As I was saying, if you're going to buy on the internet, sobrang dami yung makikita. Kaya please, buy at your own risk and i-check nyo yung shop. I-check nyo yung shop na pagbibilhan nyo kasi baka maloko ka na naman, best. Kaya kung ako sa'yo, doon ka sa trusted and preferred seller kung sa Shopee ka bibili para secured na at matrack ng Shopee kung nasaan na yung order mo para wala nang kawala. Yun na naman para sa akin kasi mas Shopee girl ako kaysa Lazada. So if you're going to ask me guys if this babe right here is worth it, yes, it's worth the hype. Kaya ayun, this is just a quick video, so thank you so much guys for watching. And thank you then for 1.6 subscribers. I still can't believe, though it may look like a small achievement, sa akin sobrang laking achievement na niya kasi I like to celebrate little achievements kasi sobrang powerful nilang lahat. Yeah, thank you so much. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, comment down below for any video suggestions, and sorry I will not be able to make a vlogmas series this year kasi sobrang busy sa school. And yun din ang rason kung bakit sobrang inconsistent ng uploads ko. Kaya, I'm really sorry, babawi ako sa inyo. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Again, don't forget to like and comment down below kung anong mga videos ang gusto nyo pang makita. And subscribe to my channel and always remember to make your eyebrows on flick. Bye!